In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Excel to Miro. To get started, open Miro in your web browser and go to the board where you want your Excel content to appear. This can be a brand new board or an existing one. Once the board finishes loading, take a moment to confirm you are in the right place, because anything you add will be placed directly onto this canvas. Next, click on the Highlight tool in the Miro interface. The Highlight tool is useful when you want to draw attention to something on the board, such as text, a table, or a specific area where you plan to add or paste content from Excel. When you select Highlight, you are telling Miro that you want to visually emphasize information, which can make spreadsheet data much easier to review during collaboration. After you have selected the Highlight tool, type the word Highlight. This creates a clear label on the board and gives you a named reference point. It is a simple way to mark the exact spot where you are organizing content, especially if you are preparing a section of the board for Excel data. Keeping labels short and consistent also helps other teammates understand your layout at a glance. As you type, make sure the text appears in the correct area of the board. If it lands somewhere unexpected, you can click and drag it to reposition it. It also helps to zoom in slightly so you can place the label neatly and avoid overlapping other objects on the canvas. A clean layout makes it easier to add spreadsheet information later and keep it readable. Once the label is in place, you have a clear highlighted area and a text marker that supports organizing your board around Excel-related content. This is a practical setup step when you want to structure a Miro board for planning, data review, or collaborative work that involves spreadsheet information. And that is all there is to it.